it wasn't a choice. It was a fascination. Yeah. Just I honestly couldn't stop myself.
It's nice.
So the company that had offered me the job was the best thing that happened, because it was like a year before I finished school. It was like I had the job already. That was going to be my life, and I didn't want to have any regrets. So I auditioned for acting schools, and then I went. That was in Washington, and I got a scholarship to Irvine to study acting.
Okay. Oh, you were studying acting in Irvine?
Acting at Irvine. Irvine's one of the best 10 acting programs. They have a Masters of Arts program, professional actor training program. Are we being videoed?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought, well, God, boy, he sure was taking a long time to set up that picture. So now you're my life story. No, he does not have permission to put this on YouTube. Okay. Let me edit it for you. I'll make
Best on news only, yeah.
I'll make this up. Was that a good angle?
Yeah, very good angle. Yeah, you look cool on it.
I know. I have the. Now here with my. This is producer. This is my Russian producer. Yana from Moscow. She just had oral surgery. Yes. Show them your chipmunk cheeks. Yes. Oral.
Okay, Yana, now you can tape us.
Yana.
How you doing? Do we look okay here? Can you see us?
Now you tell us your story of your life.
Oh no! Oh no!
So how old were you when
How much time do we have?
Oh, look at this traffic.
Yeah. My story starts from, when I was a young boy, I see dream.
Be honest, your life started when you met Yana.
No,
Be honest.
no, my life started when I met you.
Oh, no.
Why don't you just kiss each other right now?
Yeah, lucky man I am.
true.
This guy, when I saw this guy.
Finally, Edward has spoken the truth. Finally.
Yeah,
It had just happened.
When I saw this guy on the movie first time, I said, what the face he had. My God, what kind of killer. I saw the real killer, He looks like a real killer. When he put the stocking and he do it like this, and he have this knives, it looks so scary. I got scared. I cannot sleep.
For the rest of your life.
Then one day I met this guy. Can you believe this? And I say, hey, I know you.
And look at him. He still hasn't got a night's sleep.
That's all about Bryan.
Yes.
But listen, then you find out he's a very good guy. He's not even close to the killer,
Yeah, Edward, it's your psychologist calling. He said you left your lithium at the office. Yeah.
Bryan. Yeah, I will bring Bryan tonight. Yes, I will bring him. No, he's okay. He's come down now. Yes, I give him a couple pills. How many milligrams? 5? Oh my God, I gave him 20. Oh, that's why he's so calm. Oh, I see. Oh, he should be staying away from women. Oh my God. What is dangerous?
Mm-hmm.
They say you're extremely dangerous.
Only near the women. Only for women.
You haven't talked to you now.
Okay. Yes, this is why you sent us Anna? or Yana? Does Yana... What happened? What happened? See, that happened, and I didn't even touch her. I just reached towards her. So imagine what happens if your skin actually contacts skin. That is a very good sign. That's a very good sign.
There's a woman around him.
If you turn it back on your face, show the color.
Which color?
On your face.
What's the color?
I'm gonna watch
Red.
this today.
Is it?
Nice color. Nice.
So what are we talking about?
We're talking about the most important thing there is. You, Eddie.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
it's an important thing.
Something. You interrupt with your call from your
Oh,
psychiatrist. So. Is he a psychiatrist or psychologist?
A psychiatrist.
He's a psychiatrist.
They can prescribe the best drugs.
Yeah. That's
The
why
psychologist,
give you 5 grams instead
very
of
few
40.
psychologists can write prescriptions.
Well, anyway, it's a fun, you see?
Yes.
We have to hang around with Igor. Otherwise, we're not going to have fun. Okay?
Igor, are we coming back in 18 months to go in the blimp? Is it something you'll be able to take people in?
Oh, yeah.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Which one? That
You have a
very
pilot
big
and
one? I'm not
wow.
coming.
You're not?
I'm not coming.
We'll
no.
drag you.
If Igor if he goes up with us, we can go. You go up with us? We can go with
if
you?
Go with us, yes.
Okay.
Then otherwise he's gonna see if it's work or not. So he's gonna say, guys, just go. It's fun, you know. I have a ticket for you. Right? Yeah. I want to tell you some story. And I thought, oh yeah. There's a Russian joke. It's not a joke. It's a real story. The father and son talking with each other. The father say, "You stupid, my son," and he's knocking on wood, you know. And son says, "Should I open the door?" Father says, "No, I will open the door." Did you get it? Если говорит, ты дурак, и стучит по столу, говорит, папа, открыть дверь? Говорит, нет, я открою. You don't get it?
I didn't. Start again.
From the end.
Speak slower.
Okay.
And use smaller words.
Father said to his son,
Okay.
I tell you, you stupid. And he's knocking like he's stupid, like this wood, you know?
Yes?
And son said, should I open the door? He thinking somebody knocking the door. And father said, no, I will open the door. You don't get it?
So it's his father is like son, right? They're both
He's
stupid.
a stupid than his son. So.
Yeah, I get it, Edward.
It's too
It's
late.
really funny. I get it. Yeah, I get it.
Uh-huh.
I understand that's, yeah. The sins of the father will be visited upon the sins of the father for 7 generations. Yes. Yeah, so...
Do the voice.
So apparently your father was a bad man?
Well, it's not bad. It's, you know, it's like his son. Like father, like son.
Yes. So have I done my father well or a disservice? What would he say?
I don't know. I have no comments about that. Well, are you taping me all this time?
Mhm.
Igor, little bit.
I'll be quiet. You talk.
So Igor,
This is-
so you start making balloons when you're 6. How many balloons did you make between 6 and 18? 12 years.
Probably.
12 years. Dozens? 100?
How many houses you blow? Huh?